What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your host with the most, Young Trey. Today is October 5th, which means Venom just came out. So me and Jacob, and I don't know who else, is about to go see it. And we're going to let you know what we think about it. And I'm going to try and post it tonight so that y'all know whether or not to go see it, you know what I'm saying? But a little, like, what is it called? Dang. A little bit of a movie critic episode. Just like the first episode we ever recorded. So stay tuned. We're going to let you know how it go. And I'm going to start recording again when I see Jacob. Until then, peace. Alright, so change of plans. So since I was coming all the way from Roswell to Woodstock, and it was already, what was it, 6:55. We actually just going to go at a later time. We're just going to go have some chickfila with cousins, parents, and stuff. But I just washed my car, but there's a little spot, so I need to clean it off real quick. So that we ride nice and clean when we pull up, wherever we pull up. Cause it should be coming out here in a second. I told him to come out. It's hot, but I'm still wearing a jacket because, you know, we gotta be swagged out. It's the boogeyman.
That was like way too quick. It's like stalkerish and stuff.
Hey,
Go ahead. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. He's in here somewhere eating.
Of course, he always eats something for my YouTube channel. Where is it? Oh, look at this. How did I scare you? You knew I was there.
Know you just went right there.
God, Trey. How you doing? How you gonna take my hat? My haircut bad.
Trust me, I knew that,
And
but
look, and he's got his video on in his house. It's not clean.
you should see my room. No, you should.
No, you shouldn't. Look at this bird.
I'm being honest.
Oh.
Yeah, those are the new chimpanzees.
Look at these chameleons.
No, Jacob killed that one.
Oh yeah, Bella got a chameleon.
She actually got it?
I think so. That's what she said.
Just don't let Jacob get a hold to it.
That's what I'm saying.
Get it off.
But yeah, I'm gonna have to see if that pickle gonna come in with me or what.
Pickle?
I have a pickle. Oh.
I got pockets. Somewhere.
We should get 2 pickles.
Bro, if you get a pickle, I'll get one.
I got a pickle already.
You got 2 pickles?
I got
get 2
one
pickles.
pickle.
Look, I can put it right in here.
Oh, you got me a bike, cousin?
Yeah, I'll record you. Go ahead for your first ride. Y'all still got a burb on me. Woo! Cousin, go ahead. You know how to ride? You ready for the training wheels to come off?
It's so hard to balance because I gotta get my knees around the handle.
You gonna break it.
That's what I'm saying.
Whoa! Oh, hold up. Do it again, Evil Knievel. Oh! Somebody read him a bedtime story. Here you go, host with the most. This one is Marcus.
Ow! I thought you was gonna hit me in the nuts. Alright, it's Fortnite time, so no more recording. We here with the fam. We just grabbing up. Oh, you smoked me. Mm-hmm. It's my YouTube channel.
It's the actual camera. Nah, this is a phone.
Nah, this is a phone. But we're gonna have to catch the movie later, like I said. But we're just having some Chick-fil-A buffet right now.
Chick-fil-A buffet?
In a second, cause that's not yours. Alright, well now we just got done eating. We about to go hit up the movie. All the fam leaving. But yeah, we'll see you at the movie. Peace. Nah, I'm straight.
Get one of those big Q drinks in my pocket. Yeah, I'm sure.
Yo, so we at QT with my boy.
What's up?
We're gonna see how many snacks we can bring into the movie theater without getting caught. So we just go. Oh, my pickle is open.
Was it? Yeah, no.
All right.
I'll throw that one away. Don't put that.
Oh, so let it be somebody else's problem. All right, let's go. Yo, take it easy, man.
Yeah, you got
All
to.
right.
Let's go later.
All right, for sure.
And like the Marlboro Red 100.
Gotcha. You got to.
All right, I think we got it figured out. I got some in my back pocket, some in my pants.
You ain't put on your seatbelt, nigga.
Put me on to live my life. So yeah, here we are at what you call it?
Cherokee 6.
Cherokee 16.
Y'all want to see that Holmes and Watson? It says homies. Sherlock Holmes.
We about to sneak these snacks in.
You can't even tell.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi there.
We just want to get 2 tickets to Venom at 10:30.
Okay.
If I don't fall asleep, man.
2 adults is gonna come out to 2310. Where would you like to sit? We're in the blue row. A would be the very front. H would be the very back.
Let's do 10 and 9.
What row?
H.
H10 and 9. Have your tickets read out for
I'm
you.
so excited for this movie.
Facts.
Critics said it's gonna be bad, but I don't know if I believe them.
Your tickets and your receipt for the show.
Thank you. All right, so here we go.
I'm so happy I brought a jacket. It's gonna be cold in there.
Facts.
Appreciate it.
All right. So yeah, I got to turn the camera off now, obviously. But we definitely gonna tell you how the video gonna go. I mean, not the video, the movie.
Till next time. Good
Till
luck,
next time.
Carly.
Oh, wrong way. Bro, we just sneaked all these snacks.
Hey,
so we
man,
got,
look. I got a few Twix up my sleeve.
that's my drink. He got his drink right here. And I got his snacks.
I got drink.
You hear that? That's my Skittles.
Low, you trying to get some? Shit, that's what you gotta do to little kids.
Oh no. But yeah, we got it. We really got it. Oh, apple.
Got an apple. Let me watch this.
Facts. It's been all in your pocket. Bro, they better not come in and check on us, bruh. Well, I bet he has to say just because. He has to say, yeah, they have a camera, so. But hurry up, man. Don't leave everything out. I'm taking petite tink too. But yeah, we gonna tell you how the movie goes as soon as we get out. Peace. All right. I'm not recording in the background. So, cousin. Oh my God, I still cannot do this. Oh my freaking goodness.
Oh, my bad. Booty had me in a trance.
Anyway, that movie was good, despite what the critics say.
Bro, that movie was really good.
It was.
And make sure you stay after there's 2 end credits.
Yes, make sure you stay for both credit scenes. The mid credit, which gives you a sneak peek on the next movie,
Bro,
and also
that
the
was
end credit,
crazy.
which shows you a different movie, which you'll see.
Eddie.
But Eddie,
We can't.
but we can't. Wait, actually, can we do spoilers?
We can say that because no.
No,
let's
no
not do
spoilers. So no spoilers like we did the first time.
Yeah.
Because that was too much. Anyway, yeah. I mean that movie, I probably rated like a 9.5 out of 10.
Yeah.
Only because of the story had to change in order for it to work with what you call it.
Spider-Man?
No, Infinity War. It had to work with Infinity War.
No,
So they had to
because
change the
it's not in
timeline.
It's not in the same universe. This has nothing to do with that. This has nothing to do with that Spider-Man.
What? Okay.
It's its own universe. You know how like they made the first Spider-Man movies and it wasn't part of Marvel Universe?
Yeah.
It's kind of like that.
Oh.
Sony made this movie, not Marvel. It was.
Oh. So it was a different universe.
Yeah.
Makes
That's why they made it
sense.
PG-13 because in the future, just in case they can have Spider-Man in that movie, then
Because it didn't do the Marvel like flip through thing.
That's
It just kind of started.
I'm setting this here. I gotta go pee.
But yeah, there's our review. Great movie, great movie. But you watched the whole thing. Thank you for watching. Make sure you come watch your movies at Cinema or at Cherokee Cinema 16 in Woodstock, Georgia. It was lit, great experience, even though we snuck snacks in. But that's okay. Thanks for watching. Peace.